What a bam bam. Did you know that song Bam Bam by Toots and the Maytals was the first ever festival song which won way back in 1966 for the inaugural festival song competition? 50 years later, the competition not only celebrates a golden anniversary, but also the fact that the talent's still strong. In this week's Festival Corner, we look at the 2016 Jamaica Festival Song Competition Grand Final. Let's meet those who made it to the top 10.
We thanks and praises, we are still alive. Though the road was rocky and the hills were steep, still we survive. We put the faith and trust in the Father.
We have to come up with a plan, we have to come up with a plan to save Jamaica, our little homeland. We have to have a little plan to help the people of this nation.
Put up your hand if you love Jamaica. Yeah. No matter what I want, me not let you. I say me not let you. No.
You want everybody to turn it up, turn up the let the music take control of everyone. When man and woman come together in this island, relieve the stress and make the best of the festival.
We no want to no undertaker. What? Somebody pass book with the pen and paper. Me write book.
My little rock Jamaica.
We big up the farmer, they cook the baker. Where?
My little rock Jamaica.
Come catch you one love Jamboree. Rock your body 'cause you feel irate. And if you want prosperity, we got to work it. Ready with the heart in there.
One love Jamboree. Rock your body 'cause you feel irate.
And how much I love to see Jamaica living in unity.
Okay, quick intermission break. So those are 5 of the 10 who made it to the finals, and boy, the talent turn up. But a quick history lesson. Which festival song has been voted as the JCDC's all-time best?
This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica. The land of my birth.
That's right. Land of My Birth, sung by Eric Donaldson back in 1978, was voted by Jamaicans in 2013 as the all-time best festival song. It was written by Winston Wallace and arranged by renowned composer Grub Cooper. So back to the show. Let's meet the final 5 who made it to the top 10 this year.
Hey, bring back the peace and love. Bring back the peace and love. We say we're living in a paradise land, so bring back the peace and love.
World crisis, why food prices getting so high? In order to exist, come and quench love this while I ain't Rastafari.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, yeah. We don't love no way like Jamaica. Biddy, 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 biddy. Because now when I feel like Jamaica. Oh yeah, rain because I will not leave. Sweet Jamaica end up in a foreign land. Things we achieve should be blessed by the Father, mighty, mighty, mighty. And love is the thing that Jamaica needs. Move all the hurt and forget the greed. When we're together, love is all we need. Only love, only love, only love, only love, yeah.
Everybody wants a piece. Una by one piece release. Everything about us, near and far, them gravitate. Ronnie, what would say? Play me, Jamaica. Whoa, 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 whoa. Play me, Jamaica. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Play Me Jamaica. So, who actually won? Drum roll! Actually, before we get to the winner, let's congratulate the veteran duo Mentatones for their 3rd place entry, Bring Back the Peace and Love. 2nd place went to high school teacher Reneve Fletcher with her entry, Turn Up the Music, which also copped the Voters Award for the most online votes. And the 2016 festival song winner, who was also awarded Best Performer and Writer, is...
Scott!
Yes, O'Neill Nazaman Scott's Nowhere Like Jamaica is your 2016 festival song. Let's sing along as we close the curtains on this week's JCDC Festival Corner.
We don't love no way like Jamaica. Because no one is sweet like Jamaica. Oh, yeah. Because I will not leave sweet Jamaica, end up in a foreign land. Things we achieve, so we blessed by the Father, mighty, mighty, mighty. And we don't love no way like Jamaica.